All right, Charles. So we're going to show you how to get lots of volume on your shirt cut. So I usually take just a 1-inch wide section. So meaning this way. And you could take the section as big as the barrel, whatever you want as far as length, as long as it's on the barrel. But the most important thing is I always brush through the section a couple times first, over direct it a little bit. It sits right on top of the section. So it's not this way. And it's, because a lot of people pull this way.
Yes.
And then I can't get the lift.
Okay.
I let it sit there for about 10 seconds.
Mm-hmm.
And then all you do is pull up, or you come out the way you came in. And then you have all that lift. Look at that volume.
Yeah.
All right, ready to give it a try?
Yes. Okay. I'm going to gather a 1-inch section. Is that about right?
Yeah, that's about right.
Okay. And I brush through a couple times.
Mm-hmm.
Then I head towards the top of my head, roll down.
Yep, all the way down.
Okay, get these guys out.
Sure. And then you're going to hold there for about 10 seconds.
Okay.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And go ahead and pull out the same way you came in.
Ooh, I did it.
That's a lots of volume.
Yes.
That's great.